Like, oh, hi. Probably wondering what I'm doing out here today. I am snowshoeing in a blizzard. Yes, that's right, a blizzard. Why, you may ask? I'll show you why soon. But right now, I'm over at a location I normally go to, and right now we are being pounded with snow on the way up here. Normally it takes me like a half hour to get up here. It took me like an hour to get here, so an extra half hour snowshoeing. Pretty righteous. And you know, I gotta get this place cleaned up. You know what I realized? I don't need to clean this. Well, while I'm here, I'm gonna cook some hot chocolate. Yes, I brought it up with me. Hang out here for a little bit, and then the fun begins. Got a jammy pack going, rocking out the MSR pocket rocket. Look at that thing. It's just doing beautifully. So this is what I want to show. Check it. What I'm hiking and snowshoeing in. Visibility? Really can't see much. I've only seen one other person up here. Oh yeah. Nothing beats a day like this with some hot chocolate. But this is only the beginning of my journey. There is a lot more to come. Well, random thought, just because I'm out here doing this right now. For those who've never gone snowshoeing and have no idea, I'm going to say one thing on it. Man, snowshoeing can be exhausting. So, this is my blizzard hike. Visibility, not so great. Where I'm headed, well, that'll be a beautiful sight to see. I mean, while most people stay home and stay warm, You got people like me who are just crazy enough to get out of here. Get out and enjoy this. My destination is on top of a ledge, so I can outlook the whole city. And look at that. There are some pretty shallow spots on the trail. And then there's been some really deep areas. I mean, past knee deep. It's just the wind blows the snow around. So it doesn't give you a chance to stick. I mean, me, for instance, I don't mind. I mean, there are some areas where I would not want to be post holing it right now. And besides, it's spring, but it doesn't look like spring. Looks just like winter. And this is a storm that's supposed to last for 4 days. See? And buried. Well, keep you updated. Here I am. Feel like I'm on top of the world right now. This is my hike or snowshoeing into a blizzard. There's the town below. Just all white. Oh, look at that. That's what got me in here. Snowshoes, trekking poles, got a snow shovel, and a bunch of other stuff. Brought fire making stuff just in case I got stuck out here, and I can make a fire because there are trees, bushes, brush, whatever you want to call it. But enjoy the scenery. See the hawk flying.
Pennsylvania County. We'd engage them soon. Riding on a Friday morning, we'll arrive in the afternoon. We came down the Captain Road, right to Richard's shop.